If your business operations feel like navigating through a maze, you're not alone. Step into clarity with Parsimony. Every business owner knows the struggle. Different departments, multiple softwares, and a sea of data that just doesn't sync. But what if I told you there's a solution that not only simplifies all this but turns your data into your most valuable asset? That's right. Parsimony is the hero your business needs. With Parsimony, information flows seamlessly across your entire organization. Real-time data is at your fingertips, enabling you to make quick, informed decisions. Imagine your sales, inventory, and customer service teams all singing from the same hymn sheet. It's not just efficient, it's transformative. Parsimony supports a wide array of sectors, from retail to distribution, manufacturing to education, ensuring that no matter your field, you have the best tools at your disposal to focus on what truly matters: your customers, products, services, and mission. In a world where time is money, Parsimony as an ERP is your investment in efficiency and future-proofing your business. Embrace the change, embrace Parsimony.